Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through the user app settings of the User and Kiosk app. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the User and Kiosk app admin panel, then go to User App Settings. The first option is Login Required. If you enable this, users will need to log in before placing an order. There are two modes available here. On start, this means the user must log in before they can select products or place an order. On order process, this allows guest users to browse and select products, but they must log in before completing the order. Next is Enable Tips. When enabled, this lets users add tips to their orders. Then we have Show Stock Quantity. Enable this to display the stock quantity for each product in the user app. Moving on to is Payment Required. When enabled, this allows users to make payments directly from the user app. Then there's Enable Reward and Enable Coupon. These let users apply rewards and coupons in the cart. Please note, these options will only appear if you've already installed and activated the Vite Reward Pro and Vite Coupon Pro plugins on your WordPress site. You can also customize the user app name. Below that, you'll find the user app link. By default, a link is provided. But if you want to redirect users to another landing page, simply select the page you want and click Save. In this tutorial, we're using the default page. Now let's explore the user app payment settings. With the user app, you can accept payments through any WooCommerce compatible payment gateway. Just enable the payment method you prefer and click Save. Note, the credit or debit card option will only appear if you have a payment gateway like Stripe installed and activated in your WooCommerce settings. Since we've installed the Stripe WooCommerce payment gateway, that's why it's showing here. Now let's walk through placing an order using the WooCommerce payment gateway. Copy the user app link, open a new tab, and paste it. You'll be redirected to the user app panel. By default, you're not logged in. We'll now log in using an existing user. In this example, we'll use David, our existing user. After logging in, select a few products, click on the Order Now button to begin, choose credit or debit card as the payment method, fill in the required details, and once everything is completed, place the order. As you can see, the order was placed successfully using the WooCommerce payment gateway. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.